In today's world, your car is more than just a vehicle. It's an investment. It's a crucial part of your daily life, whether you're commuting to work, running errands, or taking a road trip with your family. The importance of keeping this valuable asset safe cannot be overstated. Protecting that investment is paramount, and that's where GoTrack comes in. GoTrack isn't just a car tracker. It's a comprehensive security solution designed to give you peace of mind. GoTrack is Pakistan's #1 car tracker company, providing you with the ultimate peace of mind. Our advanced technology ensures that you are always connected to your vehicle, no matter where you are. With GoTrack, you can rest easy knowing your vehicle is safe and secure. Our system is designed to be user-friendly, making it easy for anyone to use, regardless of their tech savviness. With real-time GPS tracking, you can know your vehicle's location at any moment. This feature is particularly useful in large cities or unfamiliar areas, where keeping track of your car can be challenging. Set geofences and receive instant alerts if your car enters or exits designated areas. This is perfect for parents who want to monitor their teenage drivers or for businesses managing a fleet of vehicles. And what about theft? GoTrack has you covered with anti-theft protection features like remote immobilization and alarm notifications, which deter thieves and keep your vehicle safe. In the unfortunate event of a theft, these features can help law enforcement recover your vehicle quickly. You can also monitor speed, fuel consumption, and driving behavior with detailed trip history reports. This data can help you improve your driving habits, save on fuel costs, and even reduce wear and tear on your vehicle. Everything you need, right at your fingertips. The GoTrack app is designed to be intuitive and easy to navigate, so you can access all these features with just a few taps. Imagine driving with enhanced security, saving costs through fuel optimization, and having complete control over your vehicle's activity. GoTrack makes this a reality, offering you a seamless and stress-free driving experience. That's the GoTrack promise to you and your family. We understand that your car is more than just a mode of transportation, it's a part of your life. And we are committed to keeping it safe. Visit our website or call us today to learn more and get your GoTrack car tracker. Our customer service team is always ready to assist you with any questions or concerns you may have. Secure your vehicle for the future with GoTrack, Pakistan's leading car tracker company. Our installation process is quick and hassle-free, so you can start enjoying the benefits of GoTrack immediately. GoTrack, drive with confidence. With GoTrack, you're not just getting a car tracker, you're investing in peace of mind, security, and a better driving experience. Join the thousands of satisfied customers who trust GoTrack to keep their vehicles safe.